Howdy y'all, Fast Forward 289 back. Today I installed an export brace in my car. I just got it in and I think it turned out really well. Gotta clean up a little bit where I bolted it down, but it looks good. Went right in too. Sometimes on these cars, you know, they're 50 years old and God only knows what happens to them in the 50 years they've been around, and this one was wrecked. So I was a little concerned about how hard it'd be to install this, because sometimes on these cars the shock towers will actually not fold in, but they will collapse a little bit over time, and sometimes you can just jack the car up to get them to line up and go in, or sometimes you got to take more drastic measures like getting a porter power and pushing the shock towers apart, and yeah, that can be a hassle. But luckily on this car it dropped right in the hole. I didn't even have to jack the car up, which I've been really lucky on this car with installing these kind of parts. It's like a Monte Carlo bar here. Some people say that they have problems putting them in where you got to jack it up or push shock towers apart or beat it in with a hammer, and I didn't. I never have. Before it got wrecked and even after it got wrecked, it just fell right in the hole, which that probably helped save the car too, helped keep it from collapsing. But and the export brace dropped right in, bolt holes lined right up, bolted it down, and it's good to go. I'm about to go test drive it. Thank y'all for watching. Like the video, comment, tell me what y'all think, and have a nice day.